Right, you guys, we got another big build coming at you. We got a 24 F350 Powerstroke. Customer just brought it in, and he's going to be getting a 5 to 6 inch Kelderman Airbag lift kit. Someone's watching me because that thing just started and I ain't got the keys. So here comes Lewis, man of the hour.
I'm pulling the baby in.
You excited?
Yeah.
This thing's brand spanking new, isn't it?
12,000 miles. Oh boy.
Oh boy, he says. Right, so she's getting all the fixins. We're getting a Kelderman 5 to 6 inch lift with 4-link rear, Kelderman Raptor 2.0 shocks, adjustable radius arms, airlift 3H electronic air controller system with dual compressors, Hornblaster shocker, XL train horn.
It's go time.
Guys, this is morning one of Kelderman number 4. Last night I got the box off. Today I'm taking leaf springs and everything else, stripping it down to the axle, and we're gonna put the 4-link on it, put the panhard bar and the airbags in the rear, get it set up for there, and then from there we'll move to the front. There's a big box with 2 compressors in it, going right underneath where the spare hitch used to be, or the spare tire used to be. From there, underneath there, the Hornblasters are gonna go on it, so that when you're driving on the highway you can scare everyone. Airlines, everything is gonna be nicely tucked in here, routed nicely, so you don't have ever any issues with anything. It's going to be a nice build.
Who needs the gym when you can just remove leaf springs on the daily?
I think I went to the gym on the weekend, you know. Yes. Bolt kit 5 to 6 rear.
Makes it a little easier, eh? What's everybody?
This is day 2 of the Kelderman build. Yesterday we got all the leaves and everything off the frame that I needed to put the Kelderman on. We got the lower bag mounts, upper bag mounts done. We got the 4-link setup done on the frame, both sides. I just put the panhard bar on. We got to tighten a couple things up yet, but we're hoping to get bags in and the panhard bar, my 4-link, and get all the hard parts done for today. And then we're going to start on putting the air compressor, air tanks, all the lines routed and everything, making it look good.
Jump. Day 3 on the Kelderman build here. We're getting there. 4-links in, panhard bars in, bags are in, accumulator tanks are in. Next thing on the list is our other 2 tanks for the back in our Airlift 3P system. Gonna mount that on there, and then it's time to start on the front. Moving along at a good pace here. That's pretty nice.
Figure. One solid bead. Smells like toast.
You actually not eat breakfast?
No.
You just wake up and shred.
What am I supposed to eat for breakfast?
Eggs and steak. Get you going for the day.
By the time I wake up, then it's time to leave the house.
Just straight to welding.
Straight to welding.
It's like when you go to KFC and you order like a box meal, but this is your airlift box. Not a meal, but combo to pair with your Kelderman Lift. This is a heavy piece of wiring. It has to be run all the way to the front to our battery and to our cab for our purge switch. These bad boys are for our sensors. They're labeled front and rears, left and rights. This thing is also getting train horns from Hornblasters. This bracket goes underneath just like this. Mount that bad boy under here, and then all your train horns. You look underneath, you just see 4 horns.
Oh yeah.
That looks good. I'm just gonna mount this tank here and the other one there. The Hornblasters go here 1, 2, 3, 4. You just pop in there. Yeah, beauty. It's gonna be good. I think they should send this bracket with in every build.
This looks much better than just your standard.
Yeah, this looks hot now.
Yeah. Even like they don't even need to like just configure it for the box. If you want to add train horn, then all they do is they just CNC the extra piece for the brackets and drill the holes and then powder coat it. Because this is much nicer.
Yeah,
I'd much rather see this.
Yeah, because it has a big K under there underneath there.
I think Dave's gonna do this update.
Looking at me in the eyes.
He's psyching you out.
We got the rear finished up, minus our wiring, our sensors, and our airlines. I started working on the front here. I got the front radius arms in, both sides. I put my track bar drop bracket on. I'm just working on doing the upper bag mounts on it. Got to drill a few holes in the frame, secure it. Gonna do the front brake lines. The brake lines are a little longer for the fronts. The rears are fine. Got to do the stabilizer bar drop mount on 2, and yeah, wire up. Put all the airlines in it. We're making headways here, so it's coming together pretty quick. Excited for it. I got my fancy shades on, so we're getting pretty serious. Goes in like that. And then your bag mounts here, and then your bottom bag mount goes here. I just gotta take this bolt out for the stock spring mount. Bag sits here, and it goes
Just like that. Alright guys, so Lewis has been slaving away on the Kelderman build, covering a lot of ground in between other projects. Unfortunately, we won't be here next week when it's finished to capture the final parts of it being installed on camera. We will be off in Vegas at SEMA capturing a bunch of good stuff there. We're gonna have to arrange a time for the customer to come back with the truck in its finished state, in all of its glory, because it wouldn't be a full build video if we didn't show you guys the results, obviously. So we're gonna arrange a time for that to happen. It's coming together real nice right now, and so we're super stoked to see the final result, and we're gonna show it to you guys too. Yeah!
One eternity later.
I did it again. Who told you that I was finished? Fresh off the plane with a new mani-pedi. My hair stay laid and you know I get paid.
All right, now this bag of Mike and Ike Mega Mix has 18 grams of total sugars. That thing's got 1,800 grams of total sugar. That thing is sweet. Alrighty guys, it's been about 5.5 weeks since the build of this thing. She is complete. Lewis, the mastermind tech, did a phenomenal job on this thing. Everything is buttoned and dialed in. I'm gonna show you guys the truck in a minute. Myself and some of the crew from Dieselr and GDP, we were off in Vegas right before this thing was finished. So unfortunately, I was not around to capture the last little the final stages of it. Lewis putting everything back together and pulling it out of the shop and the customer picking it up. So we didn't get that, but she is here now. Funny enough, I was told that the customer had road tripped this thing to Las Vegas. I was not able to meet up with him, but we do have it now. He did drop it off today, so I'm super thankful for that. I'm gonna do a simple walk around for you guys here in a bit. And if you haven't noticed, I am standing in front of Dieselr's new headquarters. We are moving from Coaldale to Lethbridge, so we do have contractors coming in. The renovation project is slowly getting underway. We're planning to be here in early spring, but we've got like a building walk around video, so go check that out. But for now, I'm gonna show you the truck. All right, I'm gonna put a build list down in the description so you can kind of see everything that was installed on this truck. I'm just gonna cover the main things here real quick. This 24 Powerstroke is now equipped with a fully loaded Kelderman kit, 5 to 6 inch lift, Raptor 2.0 shocks, it's sitting on bags, adjustable radius arms, 4-link in the rear, Airlift 3H electronic air control system, and in the back there is a quad set of Shocker XL Hornblasters, so I'm gonna toot that horn for you guys here too. All right, so for the wheels, we got a set of fuel forged FF075 polished 24x12s with spiked lugs and cushioned by some Nitto Recon Grapplers 37 13.5 by 24s. I think these wheels are the cherry on top on this thing, and it really gives it that final touch. All right, let's go hear the train horn. All right, let me see if I can get you guys a nice view here. Pretty sure that just wrecked my mic. As mentioned before, it does have an Airlift 3H electronic air control system. It's got dual compressors. Right now, this is set to mid-level. This is kind of like what you'd be driving around in. I'm gonna jump in the cab here and adjust the ride height a little bit. All right, guys, there you have it. There's the truck. Lewis did a phenomenal job on this thing. We love a good Kelderman build, so stay tuned for the next one. Let's cut to some saucy B-roll.
I'm a high